Recording a Zoom meeting is a great way to share video content. I'm going to show you how to record on Zoom. First of all, before you record on Zoom, it's always a good idea to tell everybody that you are going to do a recording and to tell them how you plan to use it. So, how do you record on Zoom? Well, you have this record button here and you have two options. One is to record on this computer and the other one is to record to the cloud. When you record to the cloud, your recordings are stored on the Zoom website. Now, if you're sharing your screen, that also gets recorded. So that's a great way to create video content, for example, for uploading to YouTube. If you are not the host of the meeting, you may need to ask the host for access. So the host can either allow record or even make you a co-host. And that should give you all the permission you need to be able to record. So I'm going to hit record on this computer, and note that when I do it, you're going to see a recording button. All of the participants will, which is a courtesy to them to let them know that the meeting is being recorded. See that recording button there? Now I can pause the recording or I can stop it altogether. So you don't have to record the whole meeting. For example, if you want to record for a podcast, what you might do is have that little chat first with your podcast guest and then start the recording and then stop the recording. The great thing is that Zoom records the video and also records the audio separately if you just want to use that, for example, for a podcast. As I stop the recording, I see this message, the recording will be converted, recording file will be converted to MP4, which is the video format, but you also get that audio format. Those are available once you leave the meeting or end the meeting. So watch what happens when I click end here. I'll get this message, converting the meeting recording. So where are those recordings? Well, if I've recorded locally, they're going to be in the Documents folder in a subfolder called Zoom, and the format is going to be for the date, time, and there you see the file, which is Zoom_0, which is the MP4 format, and then the audio, which is, if you just want the audio, this MP4 format file includes the video and the audio. And that's the file that I can edit and then upload to YouTube. Now, if you want to see where your recordings are, you go into the Zoom desktop and go into the recorded tab. And you've got a number of options here. You can simply open the file, play the video if you want to watch it online, or the audio, or delete to manage your recordings.